There is a technique in making money called simple copy and paste. In today's video, I will show you how to earn funds through PayPal by copying and pasting text. To begin with, you need to believe that you need writing skills. Be sure that you do not need to create these articles yourself. In the last part of this video, I will introduce you to a set of tools that can effectively create articles for you need allow you to take advantage of the potential to earn money by exploring these websites. We encourage you to choose the one of the most interests you and the mechanisms that make it a great resource for your efforts. However, if you choose, you can explore other options. It's an opportunities that best first your goals. Let's go to listverse.com, the platform known as Listverse. This website specializes in top 10 articles that cover a wide range of topics, from the fascinating and mysterious to the historically related TV shows, movies, games, and much more. The platform emphasizes that you can submit articles on topics that really interest you. Their wide range of categories. What's particularly attractive about Listverse is that they don't require expert writing skills to thrive here. The core of this strategy includes copy and paste, exciting articles into article rewriting tools used for essays. So while writing experience can be helpful, it's important to know that writing skills are not prerequisite for success. Offer attractive. Let's go back to the video to start your journey on this platform. Find the Get Paid link, which is usually at the bottom of the website, for example on Listverse, and find this link under Write and Get. A section at the bottom of the page. By clicking on this link will take you to a page where you will find that you can earn $100 for every article you contribute. Even though $100 may not be much, but it is important to know that this amount is attached to an article even if you write the article yourself. This process does not take much time. A simple process in the Listverse. For example, you go to the Submit List option to the bottom of the page. This will take you to the Submit page, in which you will provide your basic details, including name, your email address, PayPal email address. A brief description of yourself is done after you submit your article. While this example focuses on listing, similar first step apply to other platforms. But if creating original articles isn't your specialty, don't worry. They're here to provide you with alternatives, and it still allows you to earn money for participating in this strategy. One of them is articlefactory.com. Their include are available to explore. Similarly, articlecity.com offers a diverse collection of articles under different niches on both platforms, where you can search for articles that match your interests. Then this will be used for strategy. It is important to emphasize, when using articles on these platforms, you should aim for content that is up to date and has relevant quality topics, because a well-crafted article will increase your chances of earning. So make sure that you chosen articles are genuine when you publish your chosen article. You choose to consider online search engine like Google to find suitable and interesting content. The final step involves using an article rewriting tool to create unique version. Another recommended tool is spinbot.com. It is free from copyright restrictions, while Spinbot is a strong option. Other tools can be explored. This process involves copying the article and pasting it into the tool and running it through the program is a matter of moments, and you'll get a rewriting article ready to submit with written content available. Go to the platform where you have the article submission places, but the written content in the submission box. Provide a title and finalize the process by clicking submit. It's important to note that while Spinbot is a premium tool, free options are available, and premium tools can offer more comprehensive writing capabilities that may improve the quality of your content. Our copy and paste help you get better results, offers a flexible and accessible way to earn online, whether you want to create original articles or use exciting content. This method has the potential for financial gain as you embark on this journey. Remember that precision and commitment to quality scale the consistent effort that you can use. Get into the income stream in a way that matches your skills and preference today.